Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to give you an update on the Kingston Public Hospital. Now the government plans to build a new hospital to replace the one that is being used now. So they want to build a new Kingston Public Hospital. Now this hospital, the KPH, is the largest trauma center in the English-speaking Caribbean. It is a very important hospital to Jamaica. And the government realized that after what happened at the Cornwall Regional Hospital, where they have to be spending billions upon billions to literally rebuild that hospital, they realized that the KPH, which is 248 years old, 248 years old, needs to be rebuilt as well, because the same thing that happened at Cornwall Regional is going to happen here. These are old hospitals and they serve a large population. Now the KPH was opened on December 14, 1776. That is a long time. Now the hospital is still functional, but the government has started works with a view to constructing a new Kingston Public Hospital. The hospital is 248 years old and is the largest trauma center in the English-speaking Caribbean. It started operations at the corner of East and North Streets in downtown Kingston on December 14, 1776. Now, Minister Tufton, the Minister of Health and Wellness, told Parliament that the government has given the go-ahead to develop a proposal for the construction of a new facility. We are just commencing this process, and it will mean a number of stages like land acquisition and case study development, but we will commence this process this year, the minister stated. And then he said, in the meantime, rehabilitation works have started on the existing structure and will intensify during the year. So they are still upgrading and maintaining the existing structure, but they plan to build a new hospital. Hopefully it should be in the same area. So we will keep you guys updated on that process. Now, the minister highlighted that KPH is one of the country's most critical institutions, serving over 20,000 inpatients and 300,000 outpatients each year. That's a lot of people. It's a very important hospital. And then the minister said, this government will not allow this important institution to go the route of Cornwall Regional Hospital due to neglect and lack of maintenance over the years. We will improve the services of KPH by fixing the perennial challenges the facility faces. And the government is bringing in a lot of equipment, diagnostic equipment, X-ray equipment, CT scans, digital mammograms, etc. A lot of new equipment is coming in. Alright guys, so let us know what you think about the government building a new KPH hospital. And where do you think they should build it? Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day.